Hi friends! Ayan, gumawa na ako ng video kasi merong mga nagpi-PM sa akin. Ano daw yung ginagawa ko bilang financial advisor? Ano daw ba yung trabaho ko? Ano daw ba yung pinopost ko about ProLife UK? Actually po, no, madali lang din yung ginagawa ko. Yan. Actually, related siya dun sa previous work ko as a teacher, as an academic teacher. Kasi what we do here is also, we are educating, but this time, more on financial, or more on financial literacy. Yan. Kung dati, ako as a teacher, as academic teacher, so ina-educate ko yung mga estudyante in terms of books, diba? Yan. Pero dito, more on financial education. So, hindi ako masyadong nahirapan, no? Kasi, ang ginagawa ko lang din naman ay mag-share, no? What I have been learning about investment, insurance, savings, no? And at the same time, na-enjoy ko siya. Kasi, hindi lang naman ako yung natututo dito. Even my loved ones, friends, relatives, and other people na are around me, no? Natuturuan ko din. Nasi-share ko rin yung nakukuha kong learnings and knowledge. Ayan. So, ganun lang siya. While helping many, no, gradually, ikaw din ay natutulungan unti-unti, no, na ma-achieve din yung big goals mo, big dreams mo dito kay ProLife UK. Ayan. So, kung ikaw ay walang, as in zero knowledge about financial advisor, ayan, pwede ko namang i-share sa'yo. Diba? Kasi just like you, no, prior joining ProLife UK, zero knowledge din ako. As a teacher, ang alam ko lang magturo, diba? Yun lang din ang alam kong trabaho. Pero pagdating sa financial advisor, wala din akong knowledge or prior knowledge. Pero dahil merong cutting edge program si ProLife UK, may mga free trainings, no, coaching and mentoring, so natuto tayo. Ayan, so sabi nga nila, as long as you are willing to learn, no, walang imposible. Diba? Matututunan at matututunan mo yan. Kasi, andun yung willingness mo. Ayan. So, if you are interested also to have a part-time job or even full-time job, just reach me out, no? And then, discuss ko sa'yo. Pwedeng over coffee or kahit via Zoom, no? Kung saan ka comfortable. Ayan. So, hope to see you soon and work with you soon.